Traffic CHP helicopter 70, 4 miles south, inbound for landing at the southeast corner. Hollister traffic CHP helicopter 70 is on approach, parallel taxiway 31 will stay east of 31 at all times.
We're taxiing on Bravo now, or Alpha, whatever it is. Got one time around. Hollister traffic to say 54 kilometers across runway 24 at Alpha, Hollister. David, are you going to do a flyby or a pass or what?
Yeah, I'm over the east hills over here. I wasn't going to do one right now, but I will in a little bit.
Okay, all right. Well, just keep us advised, and we'll stay out of your way. Hollister traffic to 54 kilometers, taking off runway 31, stay in the pattern, Hollister.
Yeah, if you were
Oh, you know what? I bet we can arrange that.
Alright, just tell me where you're at.
Okay, well, we'll be over Bob's house.
Oh, got it.
Hollister traffic to 54 kilometers, taking off runway 31, left crosswind departure, Hollister.
Hollister traffic, CHP helicopter 70 will be taking off from the southeast corner. We'll have a north departure behind you. Airplane 931.